So these guys are family. We shouldn't have
是啊，幸好人多。
啊。
哦，
Ay, kakapagod. Uy, Diyos mio. Ah, wala pa sa peak ng Lion Rock. Dito pala. Puro hagdan kasi. Oh, Diyos ko, nginig to dabo na ang aking tuhod. Ayan, video nga nanginginig na. Pagoda. Iniwan ako na mag-ina. Kanina pa. Wow! So nice. Pagi nga lang. Ayun yung peak. Okay. Okay. From here, Lion Rock. Pero ang peak ay nandoon pa. At pupunta kami doon. Nauna niyo mag-ina. Sayang, foggy. Charan.
this one. Then after that, so it's so bright. Like that. Let's try to go back.
Wow. Ang taas pa ng araw para sa sunset namin alas 5:30. Mag-alas 5 pa lang. Here I come. Lion Rock Peak. I'm gonna reach you for the second time around. Halik tuhod. Ano? Halik tuhod nga sa pag-akyat nito. Aray ko. Ayan. Teka, iniwanan na ako ng mag-ina. Ito na. Lion Rock, here I come. I'm gonna reach you again. Pagod, uy. Oh, you're going down na? Oh, I will take a.
So many.
I'll take a picture of you picture here.
Yeah, 小心点，这个走吧，走吧。
Here I come. I reach you.
Kayak patung gitu ya.
Model lain. So scary.
Careful ah. Kayak apa ya?
There you go.
Jelek ya patung.
Sendam pa. Hey, I reach you again for the second time around. Lion Rock Peak. There you go. And look, there's something here. Excuse me, sister. Can you take me a picture here, please?
Okay.